Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the employee salary calculation system app. This is the UI design of employee salary calculation system app. Let me show the demo. Here I already run the app. Here this is the UI design. Here you can enter the employee name. Here John. Here employee salary. When you are calculating the employee salary, there should be the condition. What is the condition is, this is the condition. If the employee salary is greater than 50,000, include 10% tax. If the employee salary is greater than 30,000, if the employee salary is greater than 30,000, include 5% tax. Otherwise no tax. Here if I enter let me check the program. If I enter the salary as 55,000, you can see if you click OK, here 10% tax should be calculated. Here if I enter here as 35,000, if you click OK, here 5% tax should be calculated, because if the employee salary is greater than 30,000, include 5% tax. So this would be 35,000. So include 5% tax. Below the range of 30,000, no tax. If I enter 20,000, click OK. Here no tax should be displayed. Okay. This is the program I am going to explain step by step. If you want to clear all the app, if you click OK button, all the things would be clear. Okay, let's start the program step by step, how to do the apping step by step. So let's go to the Android Studio, file, new project, next, here I am select the activity as empty activity, next, here finish. Now your program should be ready. Now here notice that this is your folder app. Here you have the app folder consists of two main folders. One is a Java folder. Another folder is this RIS folder. RIS folder consists of folder layout. The layout folder, if you expand the layout folder consists of the activity main.xml. This is the file which we going to design the app. So first I am going to design the app. So let's double click on this app activity XML. Here the default design should be hello world. This is the default design look hello world. Now I am going to design this one. So here instead of drag and drop the controls, I am going to code. So let's go to the text. Here I am going to code it. So this one we have to remove them. Here we have to change the layout as here as linear layout. This one should be linear layout. I am going to change. That's the thing I am going to do. After that, here I am going to change this thing as Android orientation. Here I am going to select as vertical, and at the same time Android gravity center. This is things I am going to do. After that, what I am going to do is same layout. I am going to copy this one linear layout. So I am going to write as linear layout match parent. This one should be match parent. Width and height I am going to select as match parent. After that I am going to do the same stuff as Android orientation. I am going to vertical. This time here as vertical, and here also creativity center. I am going to give as a vertical creativity center. Right. That's the stuff I am going to do here. Right. Here in this layout I am going to create another linear layout. So inside this linear layout I am going to create another linear layout. So Ctrl C to copy the same thing, paste inside the here, right? After that here I am going to close it. When you open the layout you should close it, okay? It's Ctrl C to copy this one and Ctrl V to paste here and close it, okay? That's the stuff you have to do, okay? Right. What I did so far is defaultly I have there will be the layout. I change it as linear layout. When you start the layout, it should be closed. After that, I am going inside the linear layout. I am going to create another linear layout. When you start the layout, you should close the layout here. After inside this linear layout, I am going to create inside this linear layout. I am going to create another layout here. Right. So far I did. Right. Now what I am going to do is here. I am going to create first one is this one. Which one? Adding an image. So what I am going to do is here is I am going to first one for the heading. So I am going to write a text view. Here I am going to write as a text view. Here I am going to text view wrap content and wrap content here. Right. After that here I am going to write as a Android layout margin bottom. Here this one we have here give as the size as this one 30, right? After that we have the Android creativity, the same thing rather than writing Ctrl C to copy and paste it here, right? Center. After that I am going to write the title. So Android text. So here I am going to string. Here I am going to write the title as EMP title. Right. Here where I am going to make the title is the professional way. Go to the values folder inside the RS folder. Values folder, there will be the file called string.xml. You double click on this. This is the predefined string app name, my application. Okay, this one should be the app name. So you just Ctrl C to copy this one and Ctrl V to paste and here you have to change it as this one as EMP name. You have to call the EMP name. Here you have to write the text which you need. So I have to write as employee salary calculation system. Right. That's the stuff you have to do. Right. This one should be called here. Sorry. This should be EMP title. You have to write as a EMP, not EMP name, EMP title. Right. Now you can see. There are go away. If you click the design, you can see the design over here. Right. Here. Nice. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is I am going to give the size. So Android text size give as here as 35 dB. Right. After that I am going to give as a Android text style as I select as bold. After that I am going to give as a Android text color should be I am going to give as this one primary. Right. Now if you look at the design view here, this should be look like this. Okay. If you want to reduce the size of this, you can reduce here. Okay. If you want to reduce the sizes, you can reduce here. Here instead of dB, here put SP. Little bit you can small. No. Now I am going to create the put as here as 30. Should be right. This should be enough. Right. Now here what I am going to do is after that I am going to write the another thing, say image view. I am creating image view here. Image view here. Image view I am going to same thing here. I am going to width I am going to give as SP 100 SP. The same thing height as well 100 SP. Right. So here I am going to drag the image as well. So here after that what I am going to do is here I am going to create the Android Creativity Center, and after that I am going to paste the image here. Okay. So how to pass the images? My images reside on F drive. So I am going to copy the image as payload. Here this one. So right click, copy, and go to the folder which name is drawable. Okay, inside the RS folder consists of 4 folders. Select the folder which is drawable. Select the drawable folder, right click and paste here this one. You just click OK. It's the same name. If you want to change the name, you can change it. Same name I give right here. Your file should be here. Right now, here you can easily Android source src. Here there will be the drop down. You can select the things. Here this is drawable. Inside the drawable there should be the file payload. You can select it. Select and go to the design. You can see this is design, simple design you can do. Right here, if you want to bigger image with a bigger height and bigger, you can give here. Here go to the here. This should be bigger. I'm going to give this one height 200. This one should be 100. Right, that should be enough. Right. Okay. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here. I'm going to write the inner stuff. Extra spaces I'm going to remove them here. Right. After that, what I'm going to do is here the same layout. I'm going to create. After in this layout, I'm going to create another layout, linear layout. Here this time also here as I'm going to give as a match parent. This one match parent wrap text. Right, that's the stuff you have to do. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to give the or here Android orientation center. So let's in order here this one center orientation. Here orientation I'm going to give as here as horizontal, and orientation or horizontal and creativity center. This should be we have to give. Okay. Right. Because why I give the orientation horizontal being it is look like this. Here it's look like this. This should be orientation. Okay, this vertical means coming like this, orientation means like this, so that I change the layout as like this orientation. Right, I have changed the layout as orientation. Right, that's the only stuff you have to do. After that, I'm going to create the text view. So text view, I'm going to wrap text. This one should be wrap text. After that, here wrap text. After that, we have to write as here as Android layout margin left 200 sp. We select as. After that, we have to change the Android text. Here we have to string. So we have to change it as this one as employee name, emp name. So let's go to the values folder, double click the string.xml. Same thing, you control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be, we have to give as a emp name. Right, so here as we have to change the text as employee name. Change it as employee name. Okay, perfect. Now you can go here it's error go away. Now if you want to change the text size, you can give as any size you need, and give let's give as 20 SMP. Right, sorry, not text size, text size, this one, text size. Right, here we have to give as a 20 SP. Right, now after that, Android text style should be bold. Text color, Android text color should be any color you have to give here as here. This one should be give. Right, okay, perfect. Now if you want to check, go to the design. There should be no design, it's available. So let's go above. The problem is what is this one here. Go here, this one image view and text view.
here Android layout I give as a width match parent, height we have to give as a wrap text. That's a problem here. Okay, now here you can get the text here. Here let's remove the design of bold. We know this here we have to, instead of a bold we have to give as a text style is italic. Should be perfect. Text style we have to give as a italic. Right, now you can check here perfect. Okay, right. Now after that what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create the edit text. So here we have to write as a edit text. Here we have to write match parent, wrap text. The stuff you have to write. After that we have to write here is Android ID should be here, give us this one, EMP name. This should be the ID. EMP name should be the ID. Right, that's the only thing we have to do. If you want to change the text color, so Android text color, here we have to give as a something like that. I have give as a I give as here is primary. Right, here the writing should be like this here. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do. After that you can set the creativity here as center. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, creativity center. Now you can check here the design here. It should be look like this. Right, this should be your app look like this. Now here you have to the same thing. You have to leave the things here. Right, you have complete the layout. This one name and this one text only available. So the same layout you have to copy this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Right, so this is the layout, second layout. This one should be your same thing. You have to change the thing as here. This one as EMP salary. This one salary, EMP salary. You have to change as salary. So let's go to the text XML. Here just copy this one. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be employee salary. Here you have to change this one as employee salary, EMP salary. Right, the same text you have to give here as well. This one here. Right, here you give. Right, the same design you have to give. Right, now here you have to change the ID as employee cell. Any name you can write it as employee salary or something. Right, now you can successfully design. Right, if you design one thing, after that you have to copy and paste and change the text as well. That's the easy way. Right, here Control C to copy this one, paste below. This one should be employee text. Right, after that go text string. This one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be changed as tax. We no need employee text, we remove them. This one should be EMP text. Right, now you can go and check the design. Right, here you have to change this one as EMP text. That's the only thing you have to do. Right, now can you see the design here? This should be your design view. Right, okay, perfect. Now if you need, you can change this one as a field employee text. Right, now here it's look awesome. Right, now here after that I need the total one. This one I want to design the net salary. This one net salary, and I need two OK buttons. So let's moving to the design now. Design here text. After that again I am copy this layout. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Right, here I am going to this time I am going to change this one as a employee net cell. So end cell, we have to change the end cell because it's a net salary calculation. So here go here as end cell. Here you have to write a full one. net salary, employee net salary, right? That's the thing we have to write, right? Now let's go to the here we have to change this one as a emp ncl mean net salary, right? Now let's design here. It's what is this one, why it's coming like this? emp text, here I remove them, control C to copy, control V to paste here. emp text here I remove them, right? emp text here, that's why the problem will be, right? That's the thing you have to do, right? Now you can check, complete your form design is well. I need 2 buttons to complete the design part, so let's go to the text. So here again I'm going to copy these to this layout, linear layout, control C to copy, control V to paste below. This time I don't need text view and edit view, let's remove them. Instead of that I need 2 buttons, so we have to write a button here, wrap text. This one should be wrap text. Here we have to give the name of the button, Android text should be here. I have to write as a string. Here we have to write as a btn. Okay, this should be the button. So let's go here, string. So here I have to change as this one, control C to copy, control V to paste here. This one should be btn. Okay, you can give the name of the button. Okay, right, this is the name of the button. Okay, right, that's thing you have to give. Now here, right, that's the thing you have to give, right? Now if you need to change the color of the button, you have to give as here Android background color. You have to change it as this one as a this one primary. You can give as a primary color. Here you can give, you can see, right? If you want to change the text color, you can give here whatever you need. So let's here this is the color, right? Now I'm going to create another button, so let's copy this one and control C to copy, control V to paste below. Here this button I'm going to give as a cancel, right? Cancel. So let's go to the string.xml. Here control C to copy this one, control V to paste here, btn cancel. This one should be btn cancel. Here also you have to give as a cancel, right? That's the stuff you have to do, right? Why, what's the problem? btn cancel this one, right? Now here this one, this color should be, I change it as a color isn't this one, right? Now you can look at the design. Now here this should be the design. Okay, now if you want to look at the app, here you can check the app. This one should be running, grill should be running, right? The app is ready. Design view, you can check the design view now. Problem is in the drawable image. Here this image is a problem. So what I am going to do is here right click and I am going to delete the image. Safe deleted, right? Delete anyway, right? The image has been deleted. Again go to the folder, copy this image, and here go select the drawable folder, right click, paste. Here you have to change it at this one, drawable. Earlier this one should be the default available. I select and OK, click OK, so that you have to select this one, drawable, click OK, click OK. That's the only thing you have to do, right? That's the only thing we have to do. Now go here, everything are fine, right? Now let's execute the fun. right. Now your app should be working fine. Here this should be working fine. In my next class I'm going to teach how to code them. I hope you guys understood so far. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Thank you for watching.